Welcome to the PrintGizmo tutorial series. In this training, we will look at the vendor-suggested, alternative specification, and organization customer-initiated quote. After completing the details for all products in the quote, toggle both Allow Partial Quote Order and Allow Vendor Alternative Specification Suggestions to On. When a vendor suggests alternative specifications in their listing, and either the quote detail screen or the review update quotient pop-up will include a section named Suggested Alternative Specifications, which will include the alternative specification suggestion as well as any comments provided by the vendor and pricing based on the alternative specification suggestion. If the vendor provides pricing for the original specification as well as their suggested alternatives, a second section named with original specifications will follow and include the price based on the original specifications. If a vendor does not suggest any alternative specifications and only provides pricing based on the original specifications, their listing appears as normal. From this point forward, the specifications for the order placed from the quote include only the approved alternative specifications. Thank you for watching this PrintGizmo tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact one of our support gurus by clicking on the chat button located on your dashboard, or contact us via phone at 717-709-0990. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.